Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be doing an acrylic nail tutorial with multicolored V-tips with gel polish design, and I'd like you guys to watch how I do this. If you're coming across my channel for the first time, my name is Ademido Abimbola. I'm a nail technician based in Lagos State, Nigeria. All I do on this channel are nail tutorials, product reviews, and a little bit of vlogging. If you like what I do on this channel, kindly consider subscribing to become part of the family. And while you're subscribing, you can turn on the notification bell to all so you get notified anytime I upload any video. My background might be a little bit noisy because I'm in a train. I think the video of that will go before this, should go before this. I went on a train trip for the first time from Lagos to Ibadan and from Ibadan back to Lagos. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you're conversant with this channel, you will know the way I apply my acrylic powder already. So now, if you're not, it's your first time, let me just run through the explanation. I usually start from the tip of the nail. I drop the acrylic bead like 3/4 way down the tip, and I pat it forward from side to side. I do from side to side because I don't want the acrylic bead to change the shape of the nails which I've already filed. So I pass from side to side and forward, then take off the excess at the tip. Then I take another bead and I take another bead and put at the back just to fill the back and also finish the application. This is a first time client. She brought the design that she wants, so I'm just trying to achieve it. So there's going to be multicolored gel polish V-tip design at the tip of the nails. I don't think I'll be talking too much in this video because I don't see the reason for talking for so long. So I'll just play some lovely songs. Please don't forget to like this video, leave a comment, and also watch till the end. Thank you.
Till you give me is not enough. Oh. You know, say me, I know I fall in love, shawty. Oh, baby, I'm getting jealous. Don't wanna see you with anybody. Oh, I'm getting jealous already. Oh, baby, I'm getting jealous. Don't wanna see you with anybody. Oh, I'm getting jealous already. Look, baby, look, baby, you be look, baby, look, Look, baby. What have you done to me? Oh, got me chasing after you. What have you done to me, my Bella? Got me chasing after you. Yeah. Oh, yeah, talk to me, oh, mama. My long room so me die yo with you, oh. Baby. All I seek, I find it in you. You. All I seek, I find it in you. And I'm falling for you, yeah. And I'm calling to you, yeah. Oh baby, I'm getting jealous. Don't wanna see you with anybody. Oh, I'm getting jealous already. Oh baby, I'm getting jealous. Don't wanna see you with anybody. Oh, I'm getting jealous already. Said I'm getting addicted, oh, I'm getting addicted to you. Said I'm getting addicted, oh, I'm getting addicted to you. Oh baby, I'm getting jealous. Don't wanna see you with anybody. Oh, I'm getting jealous already. Oh baby, I'm getting jealous. Don't wanna see you with anybody. Oh, I'm getting jealous already. Baby, look, baby, you be look, baby, look, baby. What have you done to me? Oh, got me chasing after you. What have you done to me, my Bella? Got me chasing after you. Yeah. Oh yeah, talk to me, oh mama. Ballroom, so me die yo with you, oh. Baby. All I seek, I find it in you. You. All I seek, I find it in you. And I'm falling for you, yeah. And I'm calling to you, yeah. Oh baby, I'm getting jealous. Don't wanna see you with anybody. Oh, I'm getting jealous already. Oh baby, I'm getting jealous. Don't wanna see you with anybody. Oh, I'm getting jealous already. Said I'm getting addicted.